Hello everyone, it's Melanie of Vintage Hill Studio. Today I have a Christmas card featuring the Peace and Joy die set. Here is what the card looks like. This is the die set from Momenta. It has very intricate details. It's just a beautiful set and it's a lot of fun to work with. You can see the 7-piece die set consists of this dove, an intricate wing, an outline wing, the words peace and joy, and a little berry sprig. Just beautiful. Die sets like these really make card making easy, and I don't think you'll be disappointed if you want to give this one a try. So I chose to do the tone on tone just like the packaging shows because the die cuts are just so beautiful. And I can do that in one pass by putting all the dies into my Big Shot and running it through since it's all the same color. This makes it really simple. I have always had good luck with Momenta dies. They cut so precisely and everything releases so easily. I can't say enough good stuff about the Momenta dies. So I've got the peace and joy words here, the berry sprig, the outline of the wing, the intricate wing, and the dove. And let me just give you a close-up of this dove very quickly. You can see it also embosses the belly area. It is really pretty. I'll just bring over my tool-in-one here, and I got that all cleaned up. And now you can see I need to cut a solid wing, so I'll bring over that outline and go back to that same piece of paper and cut out an additional wing. So it's very few passes through your die cutting machine to get all the pieces and parts you need to make this card. Okay, and then I'm working on a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inch card. If you're interested in the supply list and the dimensions for today's card, just scroll down below this video in the description portion of this YouTube video and you will find everything. Oh, so I'm showing you there my glue. I keep that upside down in an old enamel cup. That's my way of upcycling a cup that has been damaged, dented, whatever. This keeps the glue at the tip for me, so when I'm ready to use it, it's already down in the tip of my adhesive holder here and ready to go. So you can see I'm starting with the solid wing first, kind of positioning that on my card. That's what I'm going to put down first, and then I'll move on forward with the body. The body of the dove goes on next, and then before the head completely adheres to the front of this card, I'm going to tuck that little berry branch beneath the beak. See, once you have everything cut out, I mean, it really didn't take any time to do the die cutting, you saw that. And then putting this card together is even more simple. So this is a really quick card to make, and I think it's very beautiful with the tone on tone. Oh, so a little background on this pre-made card. This was a set of 8 cards in envelopes, you know, in the little card sets that you can get. And it's very nice quality of cardstock, so I love using this for the background of this dove. Now when I get to the intricate part of this wing, you can see I'm only applying the adhesive to the bottom half of the wing. I'm leaving the top half with no adhesive at all because I want that to stand out and give a little 3D effect. I'm not using foam or anything, just leaving the wing unadhered at the top. And that automatically leaves you with a 3D effect without the bulk. Then moving to the inside, because I'm using every piece of this die set this week, I've off camera made a little label here for the inside of my card, a rectangular label, and I've run that through my Holly embossing folder. Just a couple of little labels that are matted. I guess I should call it a sentiment mat. And using the peace and joy on the inside of the card. And that finishes my card for this week. I'm so glad you dropped by to visit me. I'd love to hear your comments. Give me a thumbs up. Become a subscriber. I try to post videos weekly, and I love sharing the creative process with you. So thank you again for dropping by. I hope you have a wonderful day, and happy crafting, everyone.